where shadows linger.
This music was created by MakeBestMusic, an AI music generator which offers you all features you need for creating music. Let's go in. So first go on MakeBestMusic.com. Here you have an overview about the tool. If you scroll down a bit, you see some features of the tool like create music, remix music, and so much more. Let's not waste any time and just try it. So after signing up, you come to this page here. You have the features create music, split music, convert music, and some more. We just go right into it. In the create music normal, here we can enter some lyrics or just random lyrics. So he wrote us whole lyrics with parts like an intro, a verse, a chorus, a catchy hook. Now we can enter the style of the music. Let's also try the random style. So he generated us a catchy instrumental intro, electro swing, and a female voice. We can also enter a title, Dancing in the Rain, and if we are finished, we just hit create. So the generation speed was very fast. He created 2 songs under a minute. Let's try it.
I walk this road where shadows linger, whispers of hope they gently flicker, moments lost but dreams still call. In every rise I stand or fall. Oh, the night is young, can you feel it too?
Well, the first song is awesome. It's perfect. It's like a radio song. Let's try the second one here.
I walk this road where shadows linger, whispers of hope they gently flicker, moments lost but dreams still call. In every rise I stand or fall. Oh, the night is young, can you feel it too? A spark ignites, the world breaks through. This is our time, let the heartbeat shine underneath the stars where the wild winds combine. Together we'll rise, break the chains of despair. In this endless night, we are free, we're rare. Oh, oh, let the music play. Dance away the night, we'll find our way.
Well, that's the best tool for music I ever used. What the hell? I just used random lyrics, I just used random style, and he created this banger. The lyrics are great, the electro swing style is great, also the intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, catchy hook, it's all there. It's fantastic. This was the normal one. Let's try the instrumental one. So we don't have vocals. So we entered a short song description, a song about dogs are the best friends in the world of humans, and we hit create. And he's already finished. Let's hear it. Yes, the other one. Great, no voices. He took a style for the description. He generated a thumbnail. Great. Next we look at the split music feature. We uploaded a music file from before. We can also check the box advanced audio separation. Let's try it. And we hit split. So he's finished. It took like a minute. Let's click on it. Here we have an overview about the song with the different used instruments or vocals. We will play it now and we will mute some things while we're playing it. Demonstrate the feature. Let's go in.
I walk this road where shadows linger, whispers of hope they was young, can you feel it too?
So it works perfectly. You can live edit here. You can export the finished lines here, like only the vocals, only the drums. Very powerful feature, awesome. So here at the Convert Music feature, we can upload our song. We have that from before. And we use another model here, like this one.
Yeah.
To translate the voices into the actor's voice. We can enhance the vocals here, and the original singer is a female, and we submit it. And he's already finished. It took like a minute. Let's hear it.
I walk this road where shadows linger, whispers of hope. They
So he took the actor's voice and replaced it with the original female voice. Awesome! Here we are at the next feature, the Midi Studio feature. It's designed for generating music in MIDI format, so it contains the music information, not the actual audio data. For example, it stores which notes are played, when the notes are played, which length of the notes. For example, you have here the piano. Let's try something here. And then we can edit another, like bass. Let's place it here. We can adjust the length. We can also play all. And then we can export this as MIDI file or also as WAV file. Next we have the music mastering feature. It's for a post audio optimization process, like you have your target music and your reference music. So we get a target music and any kind of reference music. It's just a demonstration. So you have your target music and your reference music and the mastering stream here. And now you can adjust the volumes here to optimize your audio. Let's try it.
I walk this road where shadows linger, whispers of hope. They gently flicker, moments lost but
You hear the difference? It's only for audio optimization here in the post-production, so you can fine-tune your song for the best output. To the pricing of MakeBestMusic, you have different options to choose from. Let's look at the monthly. You have the free membership where you have free credits. On a basic you have 200 credits. You have the ability to create music by text and you have the commercial usage. On the standard you have even more credits. You have the powerful split music function. You have also high quality exports, and on the professional you have unlimited credits. As usual, if you liked it, try it. See you in the next one.